Hi, and welcome to another how-to video for the OptimalCloud. In this video, we're going to tell you how to set up behavioral biometrics for authentication into the OptimalCloud. What is behavioral biometrics? It's a security algorithm that identifies you by analyzing your typing behavior. Each person enters data slightly differently. An example of some of the typing behaviors analyzed includes the time it takes to press, release, and move between keys. Now, once a user's typing behavior is registered, this data can be used for authentication or as part of multi-factor authentication in the OptimalCloud. To set up behavioral biometrics, you would log into the OptimalCloud. From there, you would click on the Account Settings tab, and then click on the Behavioral Biometrics button. This will take you to a page where you can register your typing pattern. Go down to the pattern entry fields and type in your username. Type in your username again. And then one more time. Note you can make mistakes while typing and just backspace and fix it, and it'll still register your pattern. Oops. Once you've registered 3 patterns, you can use the behavioral biometrics for authentication. Let's go back to the portal. Then let's go back into behavioral biometrics and do test MFA. You see now there's an option for behavioral biometrics as an MFA option. So we will click on that. It's asking us to type in our username again. So I'll type in my name. And the algorithm correctly identifies me and accepts my pattern. Now, whenever I'm challenged for multi-factor authentication, I can use my typing pattern as a way to authenticate. Thanks for watching the video, and be sure to check out other how-to videos for the OptimalCloud. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at sales@optimalidm.com or support@optimalidm.com. Thanks.